What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Vivo X Note. At the beginning, let's check the price and specifications of Vivo X Note. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, LPDDR5 8 or 12GB RAM, UFS 3.1 256 or 512GB of storage, 7-inch Samsung E5 AMOLED LTPO panel with QHD Plus resolution, stereo speaker, 5000 mAh battery, 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. I have got the 12 plus 512GB variant. This one costs 6,999 RMB in China. This is equivalent to 57,100 Philippine peso, 83,500 Indian rupees, 95,000 Bangladeshi taka, 1,025 euros, 15,800,000 Indonesian rupiah. Additionally, you can pick a 50W wireless charger for 100 RMB in China. This is equivalent to 820 Philippine peso, 1,200 Indian rupees, 1,360 Bangladeshi taka, 15 euros and 226,000 Indonesian rupiah. But if you want to buy this wireless charger separately, then it will cost 4 times more than this. This video is partially sponsored by iVC VPN. iVC VPN is the fastest VPN award winner, but it's not about that award. They are not only the fastest VPN but also provides superb customer support. You can use iVC VPN without any worry cause you can use this VPN on all the different platforms. No matter whether you are using iOS, macOS, Android, Windows or Harmony OS, iVC VPN is there for you. Also, you can simultaneously log in up to 10 devices at the same time. You can watch any of your streaming platform including Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus without any issue. Now iVC is offering a 5-year deal at the lowest possible cost. It cannot be any cheaper than what iVC is offering right now. If you are interested in a VPN, then you should get iVC VPN. Okay, let's start from unboxing. This is Vivo X Note. I have got that 12 plus 512GB variant. This is the blue colored variant. So, well, let's start from unboxing. It's nice to see that they have added a pull tab. This box is even better than Vivo X70 Pro Plus box. Really premium packaging. This is our Vivo X Note. Let's put the phone aside and let's see what things we have inside this box. Okay, we can't open from this way. Actually, there is a drawer. Wow, this is the protective case. Yeah. The textures, build quality, materials, everything is so premium. Actually, this is my Vivo X70 Pro Plus and the protective case of this Vivo X Note is almost similar to this Vivo X70 Pro Plus, but I must mention this one is way better. Quality of this Vivo X Note protective case is way better than Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Okay, I'm a bit surprised and disappointed to see that Vivo didn't provide those wireless earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds, cause Vivo X70 Pro Plus box came with those wireless earbuds Vivo TWS2, but this one doesn't have that. There is a 80W charger included inside the box. Wow, everything is premium material. Even this envelope which contains, well, some protective materials, Vivo X Note VIP membership card, a SIM ejector tool and some paperworks. Even this envelope is built with premium quality material. Yeah, Vivo has also added premium quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. This is really a great unboxing experience. I will put everything inside the box and then unwrap our Vivo X Note. Well, let's unwrap this newest beast. Wow, it's really massive, very big. Okay, side by side with this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, this Vivo X Note looks a bit bigger because this one comes with a bigger screen size and in-hand feelings. Yeah, definitely this Vivo X Note feels better than this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. At the back, it's leather, they call it vegan leather, but my true opinion is this is some sort of plastic. This feels good in hand, it feels very good, very smooth. Okay, at the back there are some designs. If you're thinking that these are stitches, no, these aren't. These are actually some type of design language, and from a bit far it looks like stitches and gives a feeling like this leather is actually stitched at the back of this rear panel, but it's not. It's actually glued at the back of this Vivo X Note. Design language of this Vivo X Note is almost similar to that of Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Yeah, but it's a bit different. They have tried to give a new outlook. They have tried to make something unique, but actually this reminds me of Vivo Nex. Vivo Nex series had this type of round and circular rear camera design. Definitely this is a flagship smartphone, and all Vivo flagship smartphone comes with Zeiss T-Star coated lens. This isn't any difference, and almost all the sensors of this rear camera setup is the same of that Vivo X70 Pro Plus. So at this moment I'm not sure what type of camera performance can we expect from this one, and this one also comes with that V1 ISP. In hand, I feel like it's a bit big, but if you're fond of big smartphones, then maybe you will like it. I also like this one because I've been using the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for almost 2 months now, and I don't think the size is an issue. Well, this Vivo X Note is no way a competitor of this OnePlus 10 Pro, but there is something that Vivo has borrowed from this OnePlus. That's the slider, profile slider. I've been very fond of this profile slider of OnePlus devices, and every time I had any option to give any input to Vivo, I have always mentioned that I wanna get that profile slider on all the Vivo smartphones, and there it is. It's actually not the same as OnePlus, it's more like iPhone, like you can only put it in silent mode, but in OnePlus you can actually select a vibration or silent. But here the options are you can select silent mode or disable the silent mode. Well, one more time, very good build quality, premium build quality. Power button and volume rockers are on the right side. There is a sound profile slider on the left side. On top, it's almost the same as Vivo X70 Pro Plus, and at the bottom, it's the same as Vivo X70 Pro Plus. I don't see any difference other than the speaker grill cutout. Yeah, the speaker grill cutout design is a bit different, but everything is in the same place. Speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone, and a SIM tray. Yeah, this is a compact SIM tray, so you cannot expand your storage. So I have decided to go with this 512GB edition because most of the time I need a lot of storage.
Swing locks and pop off a big shot.
The protective case of this Vivo X Note is almost identical to Vivo X70 Pro Plus protective case, but definitely X Note protective case has much better outlook and provides better, more premium in-hand feelings. Actually, there is almost no difference in design and in-hand feelings between the rear panel of X Note and the protective case. I don't know why, but Vivo has done something terrible. The protective case cannot fully protect the rear camera setup. The rear camera setup is way more protruding. On any flat surface, Vivo X Note wobbles as rear camera panel touches the surface in a very uneven way. Moreover, this protective case offers zero protection to the side panels of the smartphone. I was worried about the weight of Vivo X Note, but even if Vivo X Note is taller than Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, it's almost 11 grams lighter than Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. X Note weighs 219 grams, while S22 Ultra weighs 230 grams. Well, I have taken my primary SIM card out of my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this one is going to be inside my Vivo X Note. I have noticed that there are a lot of people who is making fake unboxing videos, copying some Chinese or other people's videos, or some people are making videos standing inside a store. They just go to the stores and do some videos and give their verdict. I really hate that because you cannot know anything about a smartphone by holding it for a few minutes. You have to have it. I have the phone in my studio for a long time now, and I think you at least need 3 to 5 days time to check or test a smartphone. Anyway, I have already inserted my SIM card into this Vivo X Note. Let's power it on. Vivo X Note comes with Origin OS and Android 12 out of the box. I think Android 12 is the standard for any flagship of 2022. All the standard features are there. It actually is the best OS developed by any BBK Group brand. Trust me, it's more optimized than Oxygen OS. There is a RAM expansion option and you can expand up to 4GB of RAM. Vivo X Note has a Secure Processing Unit (SPU). Also, the fingerprint sensor of Vivo X Note is a large ultrasonic fingerprint reader. It's actually a 3D Sonic Max from Qualcomm. The fingerprint sensor is so large that it can read 2 fingerprints at the same time. But I'm happy with standard single fingerprint performance. It's easy to register and works perfectly fine.
Give me fuel.
If you're interested in face unlock, then yeah, Vivo X Note also comes with standard face unlock option.
Get big box to get yachts, swing lots and pop off a big shot.
Vivo X Note got a 5000 mAh battery and comes with a 80-watt charger inside the box. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging. Vivo X Note took 33 minutes to get from 0 to 100%, which is pretty fast considering it has a 5000 mAh battery. This Vivo X Note gets fully charged within 58 minutes with a Vivo Flash Charge wireless charger. I have managed to get around 6.5 hours of screen on time at 1440p resolution with Smart Switch refresh rate. This is really amazing because I cannot get more than 6 hours on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with similar settings and similar usage pattern. If you use Smart Switch screen resolution and Smart Switch refresh rate, then you will be able to extract more than 7 hours of screen on time. But if you are like me, if you really need to use 1440p resolution, then I don't think it can go beyond 6.5 hours. Vivo X Note got a very impressive display panel. It's a 7-inch Samsung E5 AMOLED LTPO panel with QHD Plus resolution. You can select whether you want to use 1440p or 1080p resolution. You can also select between 120Hz and 60Hz refresh rate. I have tested Vivo X Note display side by side with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and it's very difficult to select a winner. Both the display panels are amazingly good and offers a vibrant picture quality. Black is very dark and white is very bright. Vivid colors with natural tone. Altogether, no complaint, this is a top-class display panel. 1440p resolution along with 120Hz refresh rate offers very snappy, buttery smooth scrolling and user experience.
A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you can.
Now it's time for Antutu benchmark. We will run Antutu benchmark a few times to check whether there is any thermal throttling or not. You can see both the smartphones are fully charged and Vivo X Note is a bit cooler than Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in ambient room temperature. Let's run Antutu benchmark and check whether we can get more than 1 million or not. I personally do not prefer Antutu benchmark. I prefer 3DMark the Gamers benchmark more and we will also run that after this Antutu test. After the first run, Vivo X Note has managed to score 1,018,000 while Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is tottering beside this monster. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has only got 930,000. Vivo X Note is already doing great. Without wasting any more time, let's run again. Let's see whether there is any thermal throttling or not. Wow, Vivo has got a delightful score after the second run. Almost no throttling. Who would believe this? 1,010,000 Antutu score after back-to-back running Antutu benchmark. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has also done well. It has got 905,000. Actually, this clearly shows that there is some type of thermal throttling in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But that's nothing too heavy. Now we are gonna run 3DMark. At the beginning, let me show you room ambient temperature. It's 26 degrees Celsius. I have given enough time to these smartphones after Antutu benchmark so that these phones can get back to normal temperature. This wildlife extreme stress test is a nightmare for any smartphone. There are 20 loops. It takes about 20 minutes to finish and provides a lot of useful and correct information. Wow! I'm surprised and speechless. Vivo X Note has got 2610 in first loop and 2428 in loop number 20, which is an incredible performance. I have never seen such a balanced and steady performance from any Snapdragon processor. I mean, no other Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 based smartphones are performing like this. There is almost no drop, almost no throttling. Look at the stability rate, 93%. How can it be possible? I have tried a few times and most of the time it has performed well. Kudos to Vivo. I don't know what did they do to get this type of stability, but whatever they did, it is working. Time to check stereo speaker setup of Vivo X Note. I have tested Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra side by side with Vivo X Note. We are going to listen to the same music on both of the Vivo X Note and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's see which one performs better.
I see you rolling up over black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad. baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised. I see her rolling up over black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for.
Okay, as usual, I have done a separate camera comparison video between Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Vivo X Note. My true opinion is this Vivo X Note is a rebranded version of Vivo X70 Pro Plus. This is just an upgraded version of that. Anyway, Vivo X Note comes with a 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN1 main sensor, 48 megapixel Sony IMX598 ultra-wide sensor, 12 megapixel Sony IMX663 for 2x telephoto, 8 megapixel OmniVision OV08A10 for 5x zoom photos. I don't see much of a difference, but Vivo has actually tried to optimize it. You need to watch the camera comparison video between this Vivo X Note and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to understand whether Samsung has done better or Vivo has done the magic one more time.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top.
Time to evaluate gaming performance. The truth is, in real life, Vivo X Note gaming performance is better than any other smartphone that comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This one provides more efficient performance with stability. I mean, almost no throttling even after playing games for hours. I can only think about one another smartphone that offers better gaming performance and comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. That's Red Magic 7 Pro. That's a gaming smartphone and definitely performs like a beast. But this Vivo X Note gaming performance is way better than any other smartphones in its class. It has outperformed any other smartphones in its class, especially while playing graphics-intensive games for longer period of time. It has provided steady frame rate and I have never felt any lagging. The only thing that I have missed in this X Note is shoulder triggers or gaming buttons. Other than that, this is a gaming monster. The display panel is so amazing and overall smoothness will make you play games for hours after hours. Okay, it's time for verdict. But why am I holding a Vivo X70 Pro Plus? Yeah, Vivo X Note is here. Actually, Vivo X Note is a rebranded version or upgraded version of this Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Actually, this Vivo X Note is a perfect version of this Vivo X70 Pro Plus. But there is a question, can Vivo X Note compete with this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Can Vivo X Note perform better than Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? You have already watched through this video. It has already outperformed Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, there is one more point that we should check. That's camera performance. How good is the camera performance of this Vivo X Note? So don't forget to watch the camera comparison video between this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Vivo X Note and then decide which one is better. But considering the price, even if the camera performance of Vivo X Note is worse than Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Vivo X Note is a much better option than Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm using this one as my daily drive now, so you can understand I'm already in love with this one. What do you think about this smartphone? Please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. The like button and subscription button is over there. On YouTube, subscription is totally free. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel, support true content and share the love.
I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about.